So you want to know why sales is gross? I'm going to talk about that in this video. I'm going to talk about how not to make it gross, how to make it more authentic. Are you ready? Let's go. Hey there, my name is Matt Ward, and I help service-based business professionals get more word-of-mouth referrals in their service-based business through coaching, consulting, and professional speaking. And before we jump into today's topic, I want to remind you that I wrote a book in 2021 called The High Five Effect: How to Do Business with People Who Bring You Joy. And I hope you'll pick up a copy of that. You can do that on Amazon. The links are all in the description here on YouTube and also on social media. Now, to this week's topic, why is sales gross? Well, first, let me step back a second and tell you that my good friend, Jason Cutter of Cutter and Consulting Group, and I talk about this all the time. He's a sales consultant and a sales coach. And we talk about how this thing or that thing or this thing or that thing feels gross when people do it. It's often the same reason why people say, I hate sales. It's what I used to say about sales. And what I realized since meeting Jason, and also through my history of owning companies, is that sales is gross because it's inauthentic. It's not real. It's why people hate the so-called salesperson many times, is because it's a pushy sale. And that's what's gross about it. They're selling because they have an agenda. They want to make a sale. They want to make money. They have a goal to meet. They have numbers to meet for the month, whatever it might be. That's what makes things so gross. And the way you avoid having sales be gross, and as such referrals be gross, is to be authentic. Just be yourself. Show some care for other people. Show some interest in other people. Learn about who they are, what they do, what their hobbies are. Have a conversation. Yes, that might mean making small talk. But if you're in it to build relationships, which is right on my wall, then the sale doesn't matter. The relationship does. The sale will come later. When you lead with the sale, it's gross. Don't lead with the sale. Lead with the relationship. Lead with information. Lead with questions. Lead with curiosity. Not with questions that lead to a sale, but with questions that allow you to be curious about someone else. Maybe even consider, leading the conversation in this idea that maybe they'll just never do business with you and you just want to learn about them. That's what I would suggest you do to make it not feel gross. And if you're feeling sick by someone selling you something, then look at that interaction and start to ask yourself, why do you feel that way about them or the process or what they're doing? I think you're going to find that it's because it feels fake. And when it's fake, you lose trust. And referrals are based on trust, right? That's why it takes so long to build them up. So I hope that you'll consider trying to be more authentic and less salesy. Analyze those conversations you have with other sales professionals and see why you feel the way you do, and why it feels good and not gross, and start pulling some of those ideas back into your conversations with other people. Hope you get some value from this video. How are you making changes in your sales process or your conversations to be more authentic? Let's share those in the comments and ensure that we carry on the conversation right on social media and even on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss a single video that I put up on my channel. And until next time, don't forget to live happy, smile a lot, and high five everyone around you.